Food culture is a vibrant tapestry woven into the fabric of communities worldwide, offering a glimpse into the culinary diversity and adventurous spirit of different societies. Yet, amidst the familiar aromas of sizzling meats and aromatic spices, there exists a realm of gastronomic oddities that defy conventional tastes and challenge the boundaries of culinary norms. In this journey through the world's culinary underbelly, we delve into the realm of the extraordinary, exploring the 10 strangest street foods that tantalize taste buds and intrigue intrepid eaters. So, buckle up and prepare to embark on a culinary adventure like no other as we uncover the secrets behind these peculiar palate pleasers. Number 10. Ballute from the Philippines. Ballute, a popular street food in the Philippines, is not for the faint of heart. This unusual delicacy consists of a partially developed duck embryo, boiled inside its own shell. Despite its intimidating appearance, Ballute holds a cherished place in Filipino cuisine and culture, often enjoyed as a savory snack or accompanied by a dash of salt and vinegar. While some may be deterred by its unconventional ingredients, locals and adventurous travelers alike sing praises of its rich flavor and unique texture. With its blend of tradition and culinary intrigue, Ballute stands as a testament to the adventurous spirit of street food enthusiasts worldwide. Number 9. Stinky Tofu from Taiwan. Stinky Tofu, a staple of Taiwanese street food culture, is renowned for its pungent aroma and distinctive flavor profile. Made from fermented tofu that has been marinated in a brine of various herbs and spices, this polarizing delicacy is either loved or loathed by those who encounter it. Despite its off-putting smell, which has been likened to everything from rotten garbage to blue cheese, Stinky Tofu boasts a loyal following among street food aficionados who relish its complex taste and tender texture. For many Taiwanese locals, indulging in a serving of Stinky Tofu is not just about satisfying hunger. It's a cherished culinary tradition that celebrates the bold and unapologetic nature of Taiwanese cuisine. Number 8. Haggus from Scotland. Haggis, a traditional Scottish dish, may seem strange to outsiders due to its unique ingredients and preparation method. This savory pudding is typically made from sheep's heart, liver, and lungs, mixed with oatmeal, onions, suet, and spices, all encased in the sheep's stomach and simmered until tender. While the concept of consuming offal may raise eyebrows, haggis holds a special place in Scottish culture, often served at celebratory gatherings such as Burns night suppers. Despite its humble origins, haggis has gained popularity beyond Scotland's borders, with curious food enthusiasts eager to experience its hearty flavors and rich cultural heritage. Number 7. Eskimal from Mexico. Eskimal, also known as Mexican caviar, is a delicacy with roots in pre-Columbian Mexico. It consists of the edible larvae of ants harvested from the roots of agave plants. Despite its origins as a food of the Aztec elite, Eskimal remains a sought-after treat in certain regions of Mexico, prized for its nutty flavor and crunchy texture. Typically sautéed with onions, garlic, and spices, Eskimal is often served as a filling for tacos or enjoyed alongside traditional Mexican dishes. While the idea of consuming ant larvae may be unsettling to some, adventurous eaters are rewarded with a unique culinary experience that pays homage to Mexico's rich gastronomic heritage. Number 6. Fried tarantulas from Cambodia. In Cambodia, adventurous foodies can sink their teeth into a local delicacy that may cause arachnophobes to shudder: fried tarantulas. These hairy arachnids are skewered, seasoned with a blend of spices, and deep-fried until crispy, creating a snack that is both visually striking and surprisingly flavorful. Despite their intimidating appearance, Fried tarantulas have become a popular street food item in certain parts of Cambodia, particularly in the town of Skun. Locals and tourists alike are drawn to the novelty of sampling this unusual dish, with many reporting that it tastes similar to crispy chicken or soft-shell crab. For the adventurous eater willing to overcome their fear, fried tarantulas offer a thrilling culinary experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Number 5. Century egg from China. Century egg, also known as 100-year egg or 1,000-year egg, is a traditional Chinese delicacy that undergoes a unique preservation process. Despite its name, the egg is typically aged for several weeks to several months in a mixture of clay, ash, salt, quicklime, and rice hulls. During this time, the alkaline environment causes the egg's proteins and fats to break down, resulting in a gelatinous texture and a pungent aroma. While the appearance and odor of century eggs may be off-putting to some, they are highly prized for their rich, complex flavor profile, which is often described as creamy and umami-rich. Century eggs are commonly served as a condiment or accompaniment to dishes such as congee, tofu, or stir-fries, adding a distinctive depth of flavor to traditional Chinese cuisine. Despite their unconventional preparation, century eggs remain a beloved culinary tradition that showcases the ingenuity and diversity of Chinese gastronomy. Number 4. Sanic G from South Korea. Sanic G, a delicacy from South Korea, provides an exhilarating culinary adventure tailored for the bold and adventurous. This dish consists of small octopuses, known as nakji, that are sliced alive and served immediately. The tentacles, still wriggling with movement, provide a sensation of freshness and vitality with each bite. Sanic G is typically seasoned with sesame oil and sesame seeds for added flavor. While the thought of consuming live octopus may be daunting to some, adventurous diners are drawn to the exhilarating experience and unique texture that Sanic G offers. Despite safety precautions to prevent choking hazards, diners must chew carefully to avoid potential risks associated with the live tentacles. Sanic G represents the bold and adventurous spirit of Korean cuisine, inviting diners to step outside their comfort zones and embrace new culinary sensations. Number 3. Kasum Marsu from Italy. Kasum Marsu, a specialty cheese from the island of Sardinia in Italy, takes the concept of fermented to a whole new level. This cheese, also known as maggot cheese, is made from sheep's milk and intentionally infested with cheese fly larvae, maggots. The larvae digest the fats in the cheese, causing it to soften and develop a unique, pungent flavor profile. Despite its illegal status due to health concerns in many countries, Kasum Marsu remains a sought-after delicacy among adventurous food enthusiasts. To enjoy Kasum Marsu, one must be willing to overlook the presence of live maggots wriggling within the cheese, as they are an integral part of the eating experience. While the idea of consuming maggot-infested cheese may be off-putting to some, those brave enough to try it are rewarded with a truly unforgettable taste sensation that embodies the bold and unapologetic nature of Italian cuisine. Number 2. Shirako from Japan. Shirako, also known as code melt or fish sperm, is a delicacy in Japanese cuisine that may seem unusual to Western palates. It refers to the seminal fluid of male fish, typically cod, which is harvested and consumed as a gourmet ingredient. Despite its unconventional origins, Shirako prized for its creamy texture and delicate flavor, often described as subtly sweet and briny. In Japanese culinary tradition, Shirako is enjoyed in various forms, including raw as sashimi, lightly grilled or served in soups and stews. While the concept of consuming fish sperm may be surprising to some, adventurous eaters are drawn to Shirako for its unique taste and cultural significance in Japanese gastronomy. Number 1. Fried brain sandwich from the United States. The fried brain sandwich is a unique delicacy that has its roots in the American Midwest, particularly in states like Indiana and Missouri. Traditionally made using calf brains, the brains are dredged in flour or batter, fried until crispy on the outside, and served between two slices of bread with condiments like mustard, lettuce, and pickles. Despite its decline in popularity in recent years due to health concerns and changing tastes, the fried brain sandwich remains a nostalgic comfort food for some and a curiosity for others. Its rich, creamy texture and unique flavor profile make it a memorable culinary experience for adventurous eaters willing to embrace the unexpected. However, due to health regulations and ethical considerations, the availability of fried brain sandwiches has become increasingly limited, adding to their mystique and allure. As we conclude our journey through the 10 strangest street foods from around the world, we're left with a taste of the extraordinary diversity and ingenuity found in culinary traditions across the globe, from the daring flavors of Ballute in the Philippines to the surprising textures of fried brain sandwiches in the United States. Each delicacy offers a window into the cultural heritage and culinary creativity of its respective region. While some may find these foods strange or even daunting, they serve as a reminder of the boundless possibilities and adventurous spirit that defines street food culture. Whether you're a seasoned food explorer or simply curious about the world's culinary wonders, we hope this journey has inspired you to embrace new flavors, expand your palate, and continue seeking out the extraordinary in every bite. As always, stay curious, stay adventurous, and happy eating.